It's obvious that Google wants to create an AI competitor for every AI tool in the market, and they just low-key dropped an AI app without any announcement, no hype, nothing. The app is called Edge Eloquent. It's an offline AI speech-to-text app directly competing with tools like Wispr Flow, Super Whisper, Willow, and the likes. These speech-to-text apps allow you to basically use your keyboard less. You just speak to your device and get clean formatted text ready to use for your emails, AI prompts, script writing, article writing, brainstorming, and even vibe coding. And some key things to know about the Google's AI Edge Eloquent that just dropped is that for some reason it's currently only available on iOS, which is a bit strange. You'd think that they would have launched first on Android, but I guess they're testing outside their ecosystem first. I'm sure that Eloquent is going to be available on all platforms pretty soon. The second thing is that the Eloquent app is going to be a completely offline speech-to-text app, which means you can download the automatic speech recognition, the ASR models. You can also turn off the cloud mode so that you can use the local only processing. And when cloud mode is on, the app is going to use cloud-based Gemini models for text cleanup. And I guess that will give you better results. But the thing is, the choice is yours. The Google AI Edge Eloquent can also import certain keywords, names, and jargons from your Gmail account if you desire. Plus, you can add your own custom words to the list. And lastly, it seems like the app is going to be completely free. Okay, enough talking. Let me now take you into the app and give you a quick walkthrough because I've been playing around with the app for a while now. First, download the app from the App Store. The link will be in the description. And once you open the app for the first time, it's going to take a couple of minutes to download the models. And after that, you follow the setup prompts to connect your Gmail account and select and import words from your Gmail if you would like that. And once everything is set up, you will see a very simple interface where you can hit record and just start talking like you normally would. And as you speak, you will see the real-time transcription. Okay, so I've been thinking about how I usually work during the day, and honestly, I feel like I have a lot of ideas, but I don't always know how to write them down fast enough. Like sometimes in the middle of something, I just kind of forget what I'm trying to say. So I guess what I'm trying to do now is I want to be able to capture my thoughts as they come. Even though they're not perfect, you can help me organize my thoughts nicer. Once the transcription is done, you can go in and edit the text. It actually didn't remove the ums and the ahs like I thought it would. I think Wispr does a really good job of removing the ums and the ahs and the filler words. But I think here I'm seeing the arms, they're still there. But it does very well with punctuation from what I can see. It also does very well with arranging the formatting, the text properly. So if you can edit the thing and then you can just copy and put your text wherever you want. I really love how Wispr integrates everything, how Wispr setup is right now. But then again, it's already a full-fledged app that's been out for a while. You can use it pretty much anywhere on your phone by holding down the globe icon and then selecting Wispr Flow. You can also select how you want, if you want to speak, you want you to format your text casually or very casual, excited or formal. I'm just going to leave it at formal and then we give it a test. So I've been struggling with a lot of my thinking process and the way that I work during the day. And I feel like I have a lot of ideas that just come into my head, but for some reason, I'm not able to collect my thoughts very well. And I want you to be able to help me put my thoughts together, my ramblings together, and give me something that I can work with. I'm going to stop that. It's going to take a while to process. And as you can see, it does a good job of removing the ums and the filler words and everything. So I've been struggling with a lot of my thinking process and the way that I work during the day. I honestly feel like I have a lot of ideas. So you can see there are no ums there. The punctuations are really nice and the formatting as well. So I think from all the testings I've done of the three major speech-to-text tools there are out there, which are for me Wispr Flow, Super Whisper, and Willow, I think I really like Wispr. It's to me it's the top right now, and this is why it does everything really nicely. But being that Eloquent is really new, I'm sure that Google they're going to deploy this very well. This is just the first stage. This is just the test stage. Right now, there is not much to play around on the iOS app. But then again, speech-to-text apps like this are not meant to be too much. They're meant to be minimal. So just letting you quickly get your thoughts into text. I personally prefer using speech-to-text apps like this on my computer, since that's where I do most of my work. So I'm really looking forward to when it drops on Mac and on PC. I know that people always say one app is going to kill another, but this time I genuinely think that there is a real chance that if Eloquent drops on all major operating systems, it keeps offline processing, stays free, and performs as well as other speech-to-text apps, then it wouldn't be an exaggeration to say that it could take out Wispr Flow and similar tools like that. And knowing Google, there's a very good chance that they're going to tick all the boxes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.